In order to become wealthy, you need to track both income and expenses. Here we will use the income statement to identify your income and expenses in order to get a clear idea of your financial situation. But first, you will need to know what your expenses are when preparing the income statement. We have a video on that. If you have not yet seen the Track Your Expenses video, click the link below in the description box to watch that video to list all your expenses first. Now, let's get started. Get a piece of paper and write income at the top. We're going to be writing down all your income for the month. Here are some examples of income: a pay stub, pension payment, rent payment from a tenant, stock dividends, royalty payments, and don't forget cash payments. But a brief word about taxes. For the employee pay stub, write down only the net income, which is at the bottom of the pay stub. List taxes and any other deductions in your expense list, which we discussed in the Track Your Expenses video. If, instead of getting a paycheck, you receive non-employee compensation, write down that income in the income list without regard to taxes. You only list taxes in the expense list in the month in which you finally pay the tax. All right, now add up all the income that you received for the month. Circle the final total of income. Next, look at your completed expense list. Make sure you have subtotaled each expense category. Add all the subtotals together. This allows you to arrive at one final expense total. Circle that number. And congratulations! You have now completed the data for what is officially called the income statement. Now compare the two circled totals, the income total and the expense total. And here is where we may draw a conclusion. If the income exceeds the expenses, you are living within your means. Keep doing what you're doing. You're already a financial success. Hooray! Hooray! If the income and expense totals are roughly equal, you are living month to month. This is a precarious situation because any emergency could put you into debt. But if the expenses exceed the income, you are living beyond your pocket. This means you are probably living off your savings, other people, or worse, on credit cards, which can easily create a deep debt hole. Credit cards can be very difficult to repay due to the high interest charges. If you feel badly because your income doesn't cover all your expenses, don't despair. You just need to take action and make a plan to fix the situation. How? Two things. 1, cut expenses, and 2, make more income. I hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to moneystepbystep.com. See you in the next video to show you how to immediately cut expenses.